Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and I just got the Gen 2 snow shovel. And as you can see, they redesigned the handle, and they also made this foldable, which is nice. Guys, in this video, I am going to do an unboxing, a close look, and I am going to go over detailed specs, okay? I don't have snow, so there won't be a demo, so just be aware. But let's go ahead and get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. All right, guys. So, here is what we're covering in this video. We are going to be doing a super quick unboxing. We're going to definitely take a close look at some of the changes in the Gen 2. We'll go over detailed specs. And we do have a video coming that's going to compare the Gen 1 to the Gen 2 snow shovel. We will not have a demo because we don't have snow. So please understand, when we get snow, we will definitely do a demo. Thank you. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. And there you go. With the new fold down option, right? You can just kind of fold this and throw it in your car, which is nice. A newly designed handle. I can't wait to just kind of get the feel for this. I don't know if the dial changed. It does look a little different. Again, I am definitely going to do a comparison in another video of the original model. This is Gen 2. And yeah, you do get the adjustable handle. I like that. Of course, you get a booklet, you get an Allen key, so you can obviously tighten this guy up. You get the screw also, because you'll have to put the screw in here, actually in here, once you close this up. But obviously you'll have to take the screw off if you want to fold this down. I wish they would have made some type of a quick release for that option. That would have been nice instead of having to deal with a screw. But yeah, there's a quick look. I'm going to go over specs now. We're going to take a closer look at this. I'll give you some feedback. We're going to jump in. We're going to go over model numbers. We're going to go over costs. I'm going to go over specs and key features. Let me start off. The tool only is sns1200. It's $249. Now, if you want it with a 2.5 amp hour battery and a charger, that is sns1201. It's $329. This throws snow up to 25 feet. It's got a variable speed trigger, so that's pretty nice. It also has 2 speeds, just so you'll know. It offers a control for 60-degree directional throwing. You're going to have to change the knob on the bottom to do that. It has a 12-inch clearing surface, and the height is 6 inches for the intake. It has a brand new ergonomic handle. We'll take a look at that. That should make a big difference. It has the hinge that I showed you earlier. They say for convenient storage. The only challenge is you have to remove a screw. It has a high efficiency brushless motor. This is IP rated. It's IPX4. And I'll put an image on the screen to show you what IPX4 is. Now, their driveway claim, they say this will clear a 3-car driveway with 6 inches of snow with a 2.5 amp hour battery. I'll pull up operating and storage temperature notes so you could see that there on the screen. Now, this weighs 14 pounds or 6.4 kilogram as a tool only. With a 2.5 amp hour battery, it's 16.7 pounds or 7.57 kilograms. By the way, this has a 5-year warranty, and if you get it with a 2.5 amp hour battery, the battery will have a 3-year warranty. I'm going to go ahead and put the screw on this, but I just wanted to show you that it seems to go, open and close real easy. Again, I wish it wasn't a screw that we had to put in, but I'll go ahead and do that now. We'll take the close look. All right, to put the handle on, all you need to do is really just take this off, and you've got, obviously this piece here, which is the screw, and then you've got this plastic piece that goes around the pipe. So just, I'll take this off and then I'll show you what to do. Once you remove everything, just hold it, and you're going to just take this with a little bit of force, and you're just going to get this around the handle. So that's the major part, and now you're going to put this together. Let me just show you real quick. All right, so now you're going to take this piece and you're going to put it on the round side right up against the handle. So you're just going to kind of put that there. You're going to take this, and it's actually going to go underneath. Once you get the screw in like this, it'll come out the other side, like so. And then we take this guy and we tighten this, not all the way, because you're going to use that green handle and you're going to create the tension that's more comfortable with you. So let me show you that. So you're going to tighten the knob. That was, I turned it around to a point where this becomes comfortable for you to close, okay? Now if it moves a little bit, again, you can obviously open this back up and you can tighten it more to the point where it won't move, but this could be kind of hard to open and close. To be honest, I find it okay. It's got like a nice soft close and open, and now it's not moving, all right? Now what we can do while we're down here is we can take a look at, some of the controls on this. So here is your speed control right here. You got this on number 1. Now you're on number 2. They made this bigger, by the way. This was smaller and a little harder to use, just a little harder to use. So being that this is so big, man, you cannot miss this. So that's nice. And again, we're going to be doing that comparison on Gen 1 versus this new Gen 2. Now here is the safety. So if you go to pull the trigger, it won't work. You actually have to pull this in, and then, and you don't have to hold it. All right. So pretty nice. Again, this is the 2.5 amp hour battery, so not bad. By the way, we are in a quiet space. Let me just show you how this sounds. So that's speed 1. That's speed 2. 1 and 2. What's nice is you don't have to disengage to actually do that, which is nice. And I'm just trying to get a look here up top before I do anything else. So your battery release is right here. You pull it down, battery comes out. All right, again, battery just slides onto the rails. And one good push locks it in place. The handle does seem, and I want to get better light, so give me 1 second. All right, so here's the handle. And I gotta tell you, it's got a nice feel to it. It's rubbery, so it's got some grip. It's got grip down here also, inside. Right, so you can see it's got grip in there also. It's got a lot of room if you're going to be wearing a glove, right? Which you're probably going to be wearing a glove. So I like that. And I think that's it up here. Let's take a look down at the bottom. Before I dive into the bottom, battery is out. Always be careful, always be safe. So here it is, right? This is the, I think it's, I'm just going to call it the auger, right? The plastic auger. So this is all plastic, and it seems to have a metal bar that it holds onto. And again, I'm pretty sure it's replaceable. Now, I didn't have a problem with mine, And then directional control, you'll see here, that you've got obviously a couple of angles. Here we are looking at the top. I can say Gen 1 was a little weird to use. It was supposed to be very similar to this. So it says push down and then turn, right? So let's see if this is easier. All right, so it's all the way. Yeah, this is definitely easier, and I like that it has a few locking points. I like that. So let me lean this back and kind of show you the directional control. All right, so you could see there, all the way that way, or all the way that way. And then obviously there are some in-between areas where this kind of gets locked in and gives you some adjustability, all right? So I think it has 6, if I'm not mistaken. That's straight, by the way. Again, plastic, replaceable, 5-year warranty. Don't forget on the tool. That's nice. Next, I want to show you the scrape bar, okay? Because this is where the snow enters, and then obviously, you know, it gets shot out, right? So it enters from the bottom. So this is a replaceable part, by the way, and it does have screws, as you can see. So it's got 1, 2 screws, and it is replaceable. So this comes off, and you can replace it. It is plastic, you know, but, you know, at least you know you can replace it. Looking at it from the back, this is really where it leans on the floor. Right? And again, replaceable. This is that whole scraper bar, but this is where it leans on the floor. Obviously, you've got ventilation to keep this cool. You have access points here if you ever need to get in and do repair. Again, you're not going to do that when you're in warranty, but that's what they would do. This is brushless, all right? Guys, I will tell you, this feels so much more natural. I can't wait to compare it to Gen 1, but I gotta tell you, really nice. Once I get some snow, I'll definitely demo it, but there you go. All right, guys, this is what the video looks like comparing Gen 1 to Gen 2. This will be out in a few days if you're thinking of getting a snow shovel. All right, I will put the link in the video description when the video launches. All right, just wanted to make you aware. All right, guys, so first impression, I do like the feel of the new handle. Of course, I love to have a secondary handle, and I do wish they created a quick release instead of having to take off a screw to make this foldable. That would have been so nice. But guys, if you liked our video and it helped you in any way, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd greatly appreciate that. Share our video also with your friends and your family. I'll put our social media up right on top if you want to follow us. All right, check out our new YouTube channel, by the way, in the corner. And I'll put a video here on the right side. If you want to check out another video, you can do that. And if you want to subscribe to our channel here at techmadeezy, just go ahead and click this round techmadeezy logo, and you can subscribe very easily and join the family. Guys, thanks so much. I appreciate you. Have a great day.